My next upload for today is with regard to the matter of individuals that have been of exacerbation and avoidance. As I mentioned in my previous upload, there have been very serious laws violated against the circumstances of fact and truth and reality, which is a priority and objective for those of scientific research and developments that are in favour and in the best interests of justice. The matter I'm raising in this upload is with regard to individuals that have been making uneducated and very rude opinions and offences and assertions against a qualified professional educator, humanitarian recovery advocate, photographer, artist, property manager, etc. These people have had no direct contact to be formulating opinions about anybody that they don't know, haven't met, and that they have no experience of. So I've been experiencing quite a lot of insults and injuries of disrespectful individuals that have been highly discourteous to the field of education and humanitarianism and advocacy. So these individuals have been of a lot of falsehoods and a lot of artificial information for the past 3 or 4 years that have made any child look more intelligent, to be quite honest. That's an open insult, a public insult to the individuals that have been twisting tails for the past 3 or 4 years with regard to the offences that they've been causing and the publicity stunts that they've been responsible for and the illegalities that they've been performing. So they've been insulting intelligence. They've been exposing and discussing matters that they have no right to be discussing. And it's very serious that individuals have violated my proximity, my royal patronage, my role as a mother, property manager, teacher, etc., etc., etc. So it's being brought to the interest of those in defence of human rights and of civil society, that there are individuals of avoidance and exacerbation that have jeopardised and that have threatened the safety of people in a community that was, prior to 2016, a very peaceful, harmonious society. These individuals commenced in their offences and have persisted to this day. So this is just to raise the awareness of how serious it is when hate crime and treason are occurring in a community, and the consequences of the illegalities and offences that are occurring. So as a law-abiding citizen, as a sacred royal, as a universal light worker, with a clean track record, no ASBO behaviour, etc., 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 the dangerous slander, defamation and offences I'm experiencing due to culprits harming society of my community, my hometown, my place of birth, are endangering many with their retaliatory, exacerbatory offences and slander and allegations. So as a qualified professional, I hope the young people of today are aware of how dangerous it is for the liabilities in this situation that have caused harm to my child to be accommodated with their wrongdoings and failings and negligence. Good practice is always important in any profession. Those of an uneducated opinion are displaying an ignorance that is highly rude and discourteous. Those of falsified information that are presenting inauthentic circumstances are not freewheeling through a situation of avoidance without addressing the consequences of their actions. So there is a huge matter occurring that people, I hope, are aware of with regard to fraud, falsified information, uneducated and unqualified opinions and false allegations. So as of 2017, since I contacted the Ombudsman, I've been experiencing falsehoods and false reporting and violations of my proximity. And as the issue of royal patronage is an issue, the individuals that imposed upon my child and have unlawfully withheld him from me are still causing problems to this day. So I just hope the young people with hopes for a family in the future are aware of the serious matters being caused in a democracy, and due to the issues of false reporting, I'm just going to have to continue uploading throughout the day due to the nature of violations I'm experiencing, without respect for those matters of proximity, presence and privacy.